Hey there, I've got an incredible story to tell you. Did you know that thousands of years ago people used to draw stars on cave walls? Yes, you heard that right. This journey, fueled by imagination, eventually took us to the stars. So, why do you think the sky has always been so fascinating to humans? Look, the earliest star maps in human history date back 17,000 years. The drawings in the Lascaux Caves are one of the first pieces of evidence of our fascination with the sky. Isn't that amazing? And guess what? Dr. Michael Rappenglueck from Munich University discovered that these drawings are actually astronomical maps. They even mark constellations and the movements of the moon. Can you believe it? The Summer Triangle and the Pleiades cluster were mapped out thousands of years ago. Incredible, right? Meanwhile, in Asia, the Cheomseongdae Observatory was built in the 7th century in Korea. It's one of the oldest astronomical towers in the world. Let's take a closer look. The Silla Kingdom observed the moon's movements and constellations to calculate time and organize agriculture. It's amazing how the first steps in timekeeping were taken. And don't forget Central Asia. Did you know that astronomy thrived during the Timurid Empire? Ulugh Beg, a great ruler and scholar, led the construction of the Samarkand Observatory, one of the most advanced observatories of its time. Ulugh Beg's star catalogue documented the positions of 1,018 stars. It laid the foundation for modern astronomy. What an achievement. Let's move forward. How about Galileo Galilei? In 1609, he used the first telescope to look at the sky and discovered 4 of Jupiter's moons. Imagine being one of the first people to see that. What would you have felt? Galileo also observed that the moon's surface was rugged and that the sun had spots. He completely changed our understanding of the universe. Have you heard of Jules Verne, the father of science fiction? In 1865, he wrote From the Earth to the Moon, one of the first works to imagine modern space travel. This work was so realistic that it's said to have inspired the Apollo missions. In fact, the launch site in his novel was close to where NASA's Cape Canaveral is today. Did you know? Verne's imagination opened the doors to a world where science fiction meets reality. Isn't that exciting? And here's the big leap. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to travel to space. He orbited Earth in just 108 minutes. What a groundbreaking moment, right? Just 8 years later, Neil Armstrong stepped onto the moon, making history with the words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Today, the space journey has reached a whole new level. With Elon Musk's Starlink project, you can now see hundreds of satellites when you look up at the sky. Isn't that incredible? Starlink aims to deploy over 12,000 satellites to provide global internet coverage. Imagine a network woven in space. The sky has always fascinated us, and it continues to do so today. Humanity's journey to the stars is far from over. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories. Let's keep exploring together.